I hope you all are fine. This is me, Emaan Fatima, and today's topic is parts of speech. And at the end of the lesson, you will be able to name and explain parts of speech. So, let's get started. Parts of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. The first one is noun. Noun refers to people, places, things, ideas, concepts, etc. For example, Ali is a good boy. Karachi is the best city. Here, Ali and Karachi both are noun. So, noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Next, pronoun. A pronoun is used to refer to a noun, noun phrase, or noun phrases instead of the repeated use of the same noun or noun phrase. For example, Zubair is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. Here, he is a pronoun. So, pronoun is used instead of noun. The next is verb. Verb shows an action or ongoing condition. It is considered as the heart of a sentence. For example, Zubair is going home. He loves his home. Here, going and loves both are the examples of verb. So we can say verb is an action word. Adjective. It modifies or describes noun in a sentence. For example, Ali loves his beautiful daughters. His daughters also love their caring father. So, beautiful and caring are adjectives. So, we can say adjective describes a noun or pronoun. The next is adverb. Adverbs modify or describe adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs. It answers the questions when, where, how, or how much. For example, he is running fast. She always reads attentively. Here, fast and attentively are adverb. So, adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The next is preposition. Preposition gives context to nouns in relationship to other nouns or pronouns. For example, I am going to Lahore. Lahore is in Pakistan. Here, to and in are preposition. So, preposition establishes a relationship between the noun and the rest of sentence. The next is conjunction. It connects nouns, noun phrases, clauses, or sentences together. For example, Emaan loves chocolate and chips. She loves pasta, but she hates pizza. Here, and but both are conjunction. So, conjunction connects words, phrases, and clauses. The next is interjection. Interjections are brief and abrupt pauses in speech, usually used for expressing emotions. For example, oh, that feels terrible. Alas, they have lost the match. So, interjection expresses surprise or other emotions. If you like this lesson, give it thumbs up by hitting like button and subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons. Thank you for watching me. I will be back soon inshallah with another video. Thank you.